5 tips if you want to buy a house in a housing market crash. Should you buy a home now or wait? It's not the best idea to base your home buying strategy on trying to anticipate what might happen next year in the market. Rather, choose a home based on your budget and needs. If you come across a house that you like in a location you like and satisfies your budget, there's a good chance it will work for you. However, if you make too many concessions in order to obtain it, you may end up with buyer's remorse and an albatross that you will have to sell for a lot of money. Purchasing a house, in any market, is an exceptionally private choice. Since homes represent the biggest single buy that many people will make in the course of their life, it's critical to be in a strong monetary situation prior to making a plunge. With the housing market showing signs of a slowdown, now is the time to start planning for the future. No matter where you are in your home buying process, you should take steps to prepare for a downturn. Here are 5 ways you can prepare for the coming crash so you don't get trapped in one when it happens. 1. Don't get caught up in the buying frenzy. If you pay much more than a home is worth, you will likely be underwater when the market rights itself. Number 2, know what you want before you start buying. Do you want a single family, a townhouse, or an apartment? 3. Don't buy more than you can afford. Simply put, if you'd have to watch every dime to make a mortgage payment, you're better off looking at less expensive properties. 4. Make the largest down payment you can afford. The bigger your down payment, the greater your home equity. Equity is the difference between what you owe on your mortgage and your home's value, or how much of your home you own outright. That equity is sometimes all that stands between a homeowner and foreclosure when things get tough. 5. Build your emergency savings account. The rule of thumb is to put enough away to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses to be prepared for emergencies. Depending on your comfort level, you may want to shoot for a bigger emergency fund. But, probably you need to sell your house before you buy a new one. Tips for selling in a hot housing market. To sell your house quickly, find an excellent agent and stay away from those who don't know the area well. Your agent should help you price your house aggressively, as well as handle requests and offers from prospective buyers. You should also present your house in the best possible light. Although renovating and repairing are not everyone's cup of tea, there are simple measures they can take to help make their houses appear spacious and light. It pays to clean up, sort your papers and toys, and keep your kitchen tidy. Even if your home is dated, a clean environment will help buyers imagine the potential of the new house. According to the latest S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller Index, the cost of buying a single-family home soared more than 20% nationwide in April from the same month last year. In addition, higher mortgage rates exacerbated the cost of buying a home in May. However, those big increases may level off. But these higher costs are putting pressure on the housing market. Mortgage applications to buy and refinance have decreased, resulting in a down market index, according to the Mortgage Bankers Association, MBA. Mortgage applications have dropped to their lowest level in 22 years due to higher costs, MBA reported. Will home prices rise more in 2022? The Realtor.com inventory forecast changed dramatically from the beginning of the year to now, going from a 0.3% increase in inventory to their current prediction of a 15% increase. Home shoppers will have more choices in the future as more homeowners look to make adjustments to fit changing personal needs and take advantage of favorable market conditions to access the significant amount of equity they may have accumulated.